什么要说的吗？很勇敢的孩子，要不要加入我霸天虎？
Oh my goodness, folks, I don't like the look of this. That dorsal fin is huge. It's heading right for my friend George. Hey, George, get out of the water. You got the wrong shark. George. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at all that blood. That is terrible. All right, I'm hurting right now. George is actually one of my good friends, but we have to save ourselves now, so we're going to come over here. We're going to hide behind these flammable gas tanks. I'm sure we'll be safe there. Everyone remain seated. Hang tight. We'll get through this. Uh-oh, shark's taking the dock back there. Watch out, everybody.
Precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Island of God. That's the forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck.
Alright, it says here we have a black flood warning. We've got some rain coming out the left-hand side of the tram, but I'm sure we'll be fine. Out of curiosity, we're going to stay parked here for just a minute. We're going to see what happens. Then we'll hang on. Even if you drop an item, you can slowly like hop off and grab it yourself up and creep down it for you once it's safe to do so. Off to the left-hand side, you can see a peaceful little lagoon right over there. Not quite so peaceful back in the 1950s. That was the original Black Lagoon, creature from the Black Lagoon. But the creature from the Black Lagoon is not the only monster to have walked these sets over the years. In fact, we're going to be driving right down the heart of Little Europe, where we filmed all of our classic Universal monster films. I'll tell you all about some of those monster movies in just a moment. But first, as you can see from this sign, it says, "Welcome to the Good Place." I'll go ahead and tell you the most recent project I filmed out here. This was the Good Place for all 4 years. This is where they filmed the exteriors for that hit show. Again, they just aired the finale. The sets are still dressed like the Good Place, but when someone else comes in here to rent these sets, they're all going to change. Who knows when that's going to be? Probably won't be painted this way too much longer. We'll take some pics as we drive through. This is everything the Good Place.
You, Eleanor Shellstrom, are dead. This location, the afterlife, I've never ever seen this. You're in the good place.
I'm not supposed to be here. I can't risk going to the bad place.
Maybe it's not all that bad.
How can I help you?
What is the bad place like?
It doesn't sound awesome.
But as I mentioned, our last Universal monster films are the movies that really made these sets famous. tell you more about our monster movies in just a moment. First, I'll point out this gray house off to the left. This is the set for Home and Family, hosted by Debbie Matsinopoulos and Cameron Matheson. Kind of a do-it-yourself home and gardening show. Airs on the Hallmark Channel. They're actually out here every weekday filming episodes of that.
Hey, Universal Studios fans.
Now that's an actual 747 destroyed specifically for that scene. It's a great example of how and why they created such a spectacular set.
The airplane crash sunset is heavy design on the set. It was all designed around envision statement.
Again, to sit down and talk about War of the World. But I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. If you can listen to me, listen to me. Once you close your eyes, okay? Just kind of close.
Robbie, get in. Here's that mobile lab unit, see the Lost World that she's telling you about. As you can tell from this scene, weather plays a very integral role in the filming of the Jurassic Park movies, as it does in most of us. Now, obviously, we don't control the weather here in our everyday lives, but we do here in Hollywood. We oftentimes have to. In fact, we're going to give you a weather demonstration in just a moment. But first, this was in Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, dressed up to look like closely used the first season of HBO's Westworld, Town of Crime. We're now entering 6 Points, Texas. 6 Points got its name because this actually used to be 6 separate streets, and we could film 6 separate cowboy movies on at the exact same time back in the 1920s. Since they were all silent films, none of them interfered with each other's productions. But we still use these sets today. Most recently, we see the theaters now for Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, with Tarantino's Westworld. And here's a drill of film right here at 6 Points. See if we can recognize any buildings, and check this out.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere. Right there off to the left, Amy moves out of one of these brownstone apartments in David Fincher's film Gone Girl, released in a number of other productions as well.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York. I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. I once got mugged over there by an old woman, tough lady. Who's my favorite hot dog guy? Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. I'm walking here. Hey, it's cool guys. I was just, just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.
Why aren't you paying attention? You've got to pay attention. Hey, what happens when you don't pay attention, huh? What happens when you don't pay attention? Show them how we do it. All right. That was good. Watch this. That was smooth. That's right. Yeah! Come on. That was good. Come on. No. Are you kidding me? That was tight. That was strong. Really? You can do better. Oh, please show me better. Show me.
have a Hollywood view. It's great. Hugh,
You have anything
morning.
to say?
It's cool out here, you know.
Bro, we're done now.
The bad thing is it's closed today, so we can't go inside. But let's have the Baba interview.
Hello, Baba. You have anything to say, man?
Let's show you my Baba walk now.
No more saying, let's move. Let's move. Let's move.
Oh,
Let's move.
hello, Sunny Deol. Sunny Deol Jr. Do you have anything to say?
I'm feeling really.
An interview is given by Akshay Khanna. Yeah. Interviewer is. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you.
I'm making hard to keep it real cheap. I'm making all the dream true. So baby, baby, come.
What is this? But I feel like I'm in Visit Village. Right? So it looks like everything is grown over here. What tree is and looks like fruits, nuts. Oh, this guy wake up, man.
कालो खसी है कालो खसी
Looks like